Hi, I'm Tricia, an organic gardener. I grow organically for a healthy and safe food supply, for a clean and sustainable environment, for an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Gardening may seem overwhelming and overcomplicated, but today we're going to show you a simple method for gardening that anybody can enjoy, and that's square foot gardening. Square foot gardening helps you use space efficiently in your garden. It also incorporates growing your crops in compost, succession planting, companion planting, and crop rotation. To do a square foot garden, you'll need a 4-foot wide raised bed, 6 to 12 inches deep, lots of compost, and 6 pieces of 4-foot bamboo or some other straight stick and a measuring tape. If you want to build a trellis, include 2 7-foot or longer pieces of bamboo, Horton over trellis, and 6 feet of wire. Your bed should be 4 feet wide. It can be as long as you want it to, but I'm starting out with a 4 by 4 foot square. You also want to make sure that you're having at least 6 to 8 hours of sun every day. I'll be using these 2 by 6s cut to 4-foot lengths and my M braces to build my bed. If you're building multiple beds, make a 1 to 3 foot aisle in between them. Next, go ahead and fill your bed with compost, or equal parts compost, vermiculite, and peat moss, or cocoa peat. Square foot gardening takes a lot of compost, so it's most cost effective if you make your own. Check out our video on hot composting for details on doing it yourself. Now that our bed is all filled up, we're going to lay out our bamboo in a grid pattern. I'm placing the bamboo every 1 foot apart. The grid is now comprised of 12-inch squares. Secure the bamboo at the edges or zip tie them at the crosses. You can set up a trellis on the north side of your garden bed, like this one, and that helps support climbers like peas. Now for the fun part, planting the seeds. Check the back of the seed pack for spacing requirements. A spacing of 12 inches means you can have 1 plant in the square. 6-inch spacing translates into 4 plants in the square. 4-inch spacing gives you 9 plants per square. The smallest spacing of 2-inch spacing is 16 plants in 1 square. Make small depressions at the final spacing of your plants and plant 2 to 3 seeds per each depression. I'm planting carrots, so I'll make 16 depressions. Rotate your crops in each square. Since I'm growing carrots now in the square, the next thing I plant after I harvest the carrots will be something like cole crops or legume crops. An important thing about square foot gardening is to do succession planting. If you want to plant a crop and leave it all summer and not plant any more, then square foot gardening may not be for you. Use the principles of companion planting. Something else unique to square foot gardening is the watering. It's recommended that you use warm water and you hand water at the base of the plant. No overhead watering. Just set a bucket of water out in the sun and let it warm up. Square foot gardening is great for novices or expert gardeners. I think you should try it. I think you'll like it and grow organic for life.